A lot of credit has to go to Elon for making this happen. First, he had the vision to decide on the project, select the site, bring in cooling, power, and all the necessary infrastructure. Then he committed to building a 100,000 GPU supercluster, the largest of its kind in a single unit. Working backward from there, we started planning together, setting a firm date for when everything would be up and running. This wasn't just a spontaneous effort, it was meticulously planned months in advance. Every component, every OEM, every system, and every software integration was carefully aligned. Our teams ran simulations, staged networking configurations, and even created a digital twin of the system. The entire supply chain was pre-arranged, and all the wiring and networking were pre-mapped. We even set up a small-scale version as a reference point before the full system arrived. By the time the actual hardware was on site, everything had been rehearsed, ensuring that integration could proceed without delays. Even then, it was a massive undertaking requiring teams to work around the clock to bring the system online within weeks. A feat of engineering and coordination that speaks volumes about Elon's ability to overcome enormous challenges. This marks the first time a computer of this scale has been built and deployed at such a speed. Typically, such a supercomputer would take years from planning to operation. However, we couldn't afford to wait. A few years ago, our company adopted the concept of treating data centers as products, not for sale, but as a way of streamlining planning, optimization, and maintenance. That mindset enabled us to execute this project so efficiently. Tesla's growth isn't just about producing cars. It's a full-fledged technological revolution. For those interested in tracking Tesla's progress, Seeking Alpha provides comprehensive coverage, including stock price targets, innovation updates, and all things Elon Musk. Clicking on the affiliate links in the description helps support our channel. What many people don't fully grasp is the level of groundbreaking science happening beneath the surface. AI and machine learning are fundamentally reshaping fields like theoretical math, computer science, and engineering. If we look at how scientists and engineers work today, it's clear that generative AI is about to cause a tidal wave of transformation across industries in a very short time. Elon recently spoke about Tesla's infrastructure advancements, particularly the revolutionary nature of version 12 of Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) software. Unlike traditional models, this end-to-end AI system learns by watching and analyzing surround video. Instead of relying on labeled images, it trains directly from video data, predicting the optimal path and steering decisions through generative AI. This is a major leap forward. The impact of AI goes beyond Tesla. Companies like Recursion are using supercomputers to generate molecules for drug discovery by analyzing proteins at an unprecedented scale. AI models are becoming fluent in various languages, including images, videos, chemicals, proteins, and even physics itself. These models can generate complex outputs and translate vast amounts of information into actionable insights. Tesla is leading the charge in autonomous driving, but eventually every vehicle will need self-driving capabilities. The benefits are clear: improved safety, convenience, and a more enjoyable driving experience. The key to this advancement is video-based learning. Previously, AI models required human-labeled data, where objects like cars, signs, and roads were manually identified. Now, Tesla's AI simply watches video footage and learns on its own, similar to how large language models understand text. This requires massive computing power due to the sheer volume of video data being processed. The same AI principles that power Tesla's self-driving technology are also revolutionizing other fields. AI models trained on video data are becoming foundational for large-scale generative AI applications. This includes tools like Sora from OpenAI and Google's latest AI models, which generate realistic video content from simple prompts. These next-generation AI systems must be deeply grounded in the real world, and the best way to teach them is through vast amounts of video. The growing demand for AI is driving the need for ever more powerful computing. Blackwell, our latest AI platform, represents a giant leap forward. It was designed specifically for trillion-parameter AI models, and as we know, model sizes are doubling every 6 months. The combination of increasing model complexity and the need for vast amounts of data processing means that computing infrastructure must evolve rapidly. Blackwell is optimized for both training and inference, particularly for generative AI, which requires enormous computational power. Inference used to be relatively simple, focused primarily on recognizing objects or patterns. But with generative AI, inference now involves predicting the next word, pixel, or frame in real time. This requires both speed and vast memory capacity. Generating images, videos, or making complex decisions demands an exponential increase in computational power. Blackwell was built to handle these challenges, supporting both traditional x86 architectures and our new revolutionary Grace Blackwell superchip. It integrates seamlessly into existing data centers and introduces a new AI-driven Ethernet infrastructure. The market for inference is growing rapidly. As more companies deploy AI-driven services, demand for high-performance computing is surging. We've already seen a major increase in demand since Blackwell's announcement. Businesses want to deploy AI-powered solutions immediately to start generating revenue and cutting costs. Our focus has always been on building AI factories, systems far beyond just GPUs. These AI factories include CPUs, GPUs, advanced memory architectures, and high-speed networking, all interconnected through complex software stacks. We design them as integrated units, but also allow for flexible deployment across different data center architectures. Every component is engineered to handle the most complex AI workloads at scale. Over the last decade, we've been reinventing computing to prepare for the AI revolution. The first wave of AI has driven a trillion-dollar transformation of data centers worldwide, modernizing them for generative AI applications. Now, we're entering the next phase, where AI will become deeply embedded in every aspect of business, from digital assistants to automated decision-making systems. To enable this transition, we've developed two core AI operating systems. The first is for large language models, supported by our AI factory infrastructure. The second is Omniverse, a system that allows AI to understand and interact with spatial and temporal data. These foundational technologies are crucial for businesses looking to integrate AI into their workflows. One of the biggest advantages Tesla has in this space is its ability to collect massive amounts of real-world data. Tesla's AI factory is already among the most advanced in the world, powered by NVIDIA hardware. Its autonomous driving algorithms are the best in the industry, and its extensive fleet provides an unparalleled dataset for training AI models. This positions Tesla at the forefront of AI development, giving it a significant competitive edge in the years to come.